Ganda ng weather.
Bite.
Yes. Direk said we should catch 20 fishes. Kakainin daw namin lahat.
You have to release it.
Yeah, I tried.
Okay. Hold that one. Hold.
Oh, hold it now?
No, that one. Yeah, hold it. Push it. Yeah, and then release it. One more. You can do it. You push the button. Hold the button down. Okay, and then you cast it and then you release it. Oh. You release the button. You release the button. There. Got it.
How is it?
It was great.
How does it feel that you only caught the rare ones?
It's pretty cool. It's pretty cool.
We caught crab. Crap.